What's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining me here at Paid to Trade for another live trade. If you'd like to continue seeing more live trades where I go over my thought process, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, we've been selling off, and we're coming down to this area, and it's kind of it's like a baby zone. So I'm gonna quickly highlight that for you. But I'm definitely looking for a long position because now that we've sold off into this area and we're kind of going sideways, I think buyers are getting ready to step in, and that's what we're kind of seeing right now with these candles. They have these little wicks at the bottom. So we've based out. We've now shown more strength in buying, and I want to go ahead and get in. So mind you, today is July 3rd. It's a holiday weekend. There's not as many traders out. A lot of the large institutional traders, they're not around. So we got to watch out. There's going to be a lot of fake outs, I believe, today. I'm not looking for a big trending day, and I could be completely wrong. But that's usually how holidays play out for me. That's typically what I notice. So trading a holiday is kind of like trading a Friday. You just never know what you're going to get. So for me, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking I want to just scalp a couple and I just want to get out. All right, so now you can kind of see my little zone set up for this area here. And so looking on the far right, you can kind of see why I have that kind of charted out. Now this was in a different app that I had, a different software, but I'm just transferring it over to this so you can get a visual. But I am watching some other screens, but you can't see that at the moment. Either way, so this is a buying area, so now that we've kind of sold off back into this area, we're looking for buyers. And so I think that's what we're going to get. And just to make this a faster video, so you guys can get over to your 4th of July celebrations, I'm going to go ahead and just do some fast forwarding here. So the audio is recorded after the fact, so I hope you don't mind. So I know how this is going to play out. So let me just do a quick fast forward. Okay, so I just fast forwarded a couple candles here on the 3-minute chart. So I think it's probably about to start turning up. But looking at my ATM strategy, I have I went in a little lighter right now. So I went in with 2 minis, and then on my larger account that I'm trading today, I have 6 minis going on with that. So I'm looking for a quick scalp, so I want to snag my first 5 points in case I am completely wrong here and this thing turns around. And again, I think today is going to be full of a lot of fake outs. I'm sure same thing with tomorrow, so I'd watch out for that. I probably won't even take a trade tomorrow on the 4th. So yeah, I'm just looking for a quick 5, and then I have my second profit target. I have it scooted up towards the top of this zone, because ideally I think we're going to hit this 5. I'm believing that we have some buyers here, and looking at the wicks that we have from a few candles back, looks like the buyers are stepping up. So I want higher lows, and then I think we're going to retest the top of this zone. But in case I'm wrong, I want to at least snag just a little bit, taking some profit, even if it allows me to just break even if I take a loss on the second contract that I'm holding. So ideally, I don't want to let that happen. I'd like to keep it all green, but it is what it is. So you need to trade however you feel more comfortable. This is what I'm comfortable doing. So this is how I like to do. I like to scale out. So I'm going to grab a quick 5 points, and then see if we can get up to that second spot. All right, so I'm going to fast forward just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm sure you saw I tried to add on once we started getting a little bit of a pullback. I just wanted to add on a little bit more, and then just to push right into that 5 point profit target. But I didn't get it, so but still, I got the profit target. So I locked in the 5 points, but I was not able to add on that extra contract on the bid. But that's okay. So at this point, still look for some continuation. So let's go ahead and push this forward just a little bit more. Okay, so as you can see, we were pushing up a little bit, and I just kind of reevaluated where I want to take my profit. I do want to get just a little bit more. I think we're going to go a little bit higher. Um, so I was looking at like 58 as a possibility, but I wanted to get out just above this zone. So that's why you saw me move up my profit target. So I got closer to 15 points. I think I locked in 14 points. So it was 1 point shy of 15. All right, and so that's it for me for today. So I'm calling it a quits there. So I went a little lighter today. That's because it is a holiday weekend. So I typically like to trade a little bit more. I'll take on an extra mini contract or two when I'm trading my Apex Trader funding accounts. But today, again, it's part of a holiday weekend, so I got to take it easy. So I scale back so I can help mitigate my risk. And if this didn't work out, then it wouldn't hurt as bad, and I have to walk away red. But luckily we got some green, and I'm gonna take that and call this a win. Because that's still sitting us at or keeping us at 3,000 plus for the day. And that's just for, I think, less than a half hour worth of trading. So let me know what you guys thought about the trade. I'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you took a trade today and how it panned out for you. I do have some links in the description in case you do want to take advantage of Apex Trader Funding's 90% off sale. Just make sure you use my coupon code so you get that 90% off discount. And that's it. So as always, go ahead and click on that like and subscribe. I really appreciate you tuning in and watching my videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Enjoy your fourth.